Hello everyone, this is Kulets of Megabytes and welcome to my channel. Last night on my way to my workplace, I found a cell phone in the middle of the road and successfully returned it to the owner. Yes, it's literally in the middle of North Jonghwa Road. However, something happened while I tried to pick it up. I was rammed by a motorist which made my back hurts till now. This is the location where I found the phone. It's in the intersection of Jonghwa Road and Jiading Road in front of Louisa Cafe. It was around 6:45 in the evening, so motorists had turned their lights on. I was riding a 50cc scooter and stopped at the intersection because the traffic light turned red. I noticed a black thing on the road, but I can't verify if it's a cell phone because I'm 3 meters away. There were scooters in front of me. When the traffic light turned green, everyone in front of me just drove past the thing and didn't bother to stop and check it. As I passed, I verified that it is a cell phone, so I suddenly stopped to pick it up. But I felt a sharp impact from behind. A motorist rammed into my scooter. Fortunately, it was just a motorcycle, so I picked the cell phone up and brought the scooter to the side of the road to check for any damages. When I looked back, the guy who rammed into me already ran away.
What?
I'm sure he assumed that there's no damage, so it's not a big deal if he leaves. Well, he's right, there's no problem at all. But it is a proper etiquette to check with the other person and apologize after ramming into them, right? Unless I'm mistaken. Anyway, I needed to go to work, so waited for a call at my workplace. When it rang, the person was speaking in Taiyu or Taiwanese language. I can't speak Taiyu, so I asked in Mandarin. 这手机的所有者是你的朋友吗？我在路中间看到了。你可以来留一下吗？我会等你。After that, he asked me if I'm a foreigner. I said yes, I'm a Filipino. He told me that he was surprised that I can speak Mandarin. I don't really think it's a big deal. A lot of Filipino in Taiwan can communicate better than I do, right? Anyway, he asked me which Louisa Cafe because there are two branches in Jonghwa Road, but I don't know which is which. And because I was not in the branch where I pick it up because I have to go to my workplace, and the Louisa near my workplace is different from the place where I pick it up. So I asked my Taiwanese student to speak with him because I need to prepare my lesson. I came back tonight to take a footage of the place. It is almost similar, several scooters in front of me, so I can only see it from the gap. But there are more scooters last night, so I can't even get off my scooter to pick it up while the traffic light is red. I understand that it was my mistake to suddenly stop, but what I don't understand is the driving culture here in Taiwan. They will rev up their scooters as if they're on a race. Anyway, I'm not going to make a fuss because it was also my mistake to suddenly stop. The most important part of this video is doing a good deed. It could have a ripple effect. Maybe if this person saw a cell phone in the middle of the road, he will also do what I did and help others. Maybe when he meet another Filipino, he will remember that a Filipino helped him. Maybe this video can give a moral lesson to you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe, and see you on my next video.